Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan, and today I have the chance to get a friend and colleague from Pit Boss from Germany, BBQ Jumbo, and he is here at home, and we will prepare a German dish which is called stacked meat. In German it's
Schichtfleisch.
Okay, Schichtfleisch, and it's a really easy to do recipe. We just need some pork shoulder, some onions, some red and yellow red bell peppers, and some barbecue sauce, some rub, and some bacon. That's it. We will first start to smoke the meat in the Dutch oven in the Pit Boss Navigator 850 for maybe 45 minutes after having rubbed the meat and let it rest for maybe 2 or 3 hours. We will see that, and then we will cook it for 3 to 4 hours at 200 Celsius degrees. Okay, really easy to do recipe, and let's go. So the first thing to do is to slice the meat to maybe 1 or 1.5 centimeter thick slices.
That's great.
Alright, now we will rub the meat. So I will use a classic rub for pork, for pulled pork or for ribs, the same. I'm a good student.
Yes, you are. That looks good.
Thank you.
You know what we say, rub it real good.
And then we will let the meat rest for maybe 2 or 3 hours in the fridge. But you can vacuum seal it and let it rest overnight. It's preferable, of course. But we don't have the time to do that today.
That looks good.
That looks good. And it's already smelled good. Okay, so at least 2 hours in the fridge, but overnight is preferable. Okay. So now I will slice all the vegetables. The vegetables are sliced, so now the next step is the bacon in the Dutch oven.
So the easiest way to do it is just grab your bacon, and first you start on the bottom. So you put layers down on the bottom. Let me show that, guys. Yeah, that everything is covered inside, which is like an insulation, that nobody gets sticked on the ground of our meat or of the sauce, you know. So and if you have the bottom, then you start with the outside and leave something over the top.
Okay.
That you can fold it in.
Oh, yes.
Yes, exactly.
You should ask your butcher to get long bacon slice. It's easier, of course.
Yes, true that. Next step is to stack the meat together with the vegetables. So we start firstly with some meat and put it against the wall and start with the first layer, which is the meat. And then we take some onions. I always just take the rings out and put it against the meat. And then we take another piece of meat, stick it against the onions, and after that we take 2 colors, because I like the colors of the peppers, and then another layer of the meat. And so we go on every step again until we finish that thing.
It will be beautiful.
Oh yeah, I like that style. The colors is nice after it, and the flavor is just amazing, because everything has a rich flavor then. Oh, it nearly works out perfect. So we have a good calculation. And the rest of the vegetables you can put on top or aside. So what I always do is when I have something left, I just put a little bit on the sides, you know, that the flavor gets inside there, because we're going to fold the bacon inverted.
Okay. So what we did is to put almost a bottle of barbecue sauce on top of everything, and then we poured the bacon over the meat and the sauce and everything. And now we will cook it, we will smoke it on smoke mode in the barbecue in the Pit Boss Navigator 850 for about 45 minutes?
45 minutes, good.
All right, at in smoke mode, so about 90 degrees. Okay.
Next step is, look here, the smoke. Put it inside 45 minutes, keep the lid open that the smoke flavor gets on our meat, and after this we fire it up and give it some heat.
Okay.
So now we had it for 45 minutes under full smoke. We put the temperature up to 210 degrees, and look, it's already bubbling, and we have a nice color of the bacon. Now we close the lid, and here it goes for 3 hours on 210 until it's ready. 3 hours later, we should look how it looks like. Ooh, oh yes. And now let's check if it's tender enough that you can pull it at least. Oh, look that. Oh yes, that. Awesome. That's what we would like to have. Pull the meat apart. So tender. So, I think we are ready to eat. Oh, it's already melting in my mouth. I can taste it. Oh, the bacon.
So this was the Schichtfleisch recipe from BBQ Jumbo.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. It's one of the most popular cast iron dishes. We do Dutch oven dishes in Germany. So try it, try the recipe, and have fun with it.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you appreciate, and please like and follow my channel. Bye bye.